The AMK option, or Advanced Measurement Kit, allows users to further expand the RSA 5000's capabilities in general purpose mode. The AMK option allows users to perform additional RF characterization, amplifier measurements, filter characterization, and mixer validation testing. The AMK option contains 8 different measurement capabilities, including total power, adjacent channel power, multi-channel power, occupied bandwidth, emission bandwidth, channel to noise ratio, total harmonic, and third order intercept testing. In order to show some of the testing that can be performed with the AMK option on the RSA-5, I have connected a simple FM modulated signal to the front of the instrument where I'm easily able to perform adjacent channel power testing, occupied bandwidth testing, and then channel to noise ratio testing.